In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on or off hardware acceleration in Discord. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what we want to go ahead and do is open up your Discord application, and then we want to go over to settings. Now, once we're in settings, you're going to see a lot of different things here, but we want to go to experience and then go over to appearance. Then all we want to do is scroll all the way down, and within appearance, you're going to see advanced. And it's going to say enable hardware acceleration. But bear in mind, this uses your GPU to make Discord run smoothly. Turn this off if you're experiencing visual glitches like frame drops in games or performance problems. And honestly, I would recommend keeping this off if you're gaming because it does reduce FPS and it causes slightly more input delay. But if you're not too worried about that, or you like screen sharing or anything like that, and you feel like Discord's running slow for you, try and enable hardware acceleration, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. And yeah, but just bear in mind it says hardware acceleration disabled, which degrades system performance and visual quality. When it says system performance, it just means Discord. But if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.